back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It's just a laid back vibe, baby. Straight up. It ain't nothing but a laid back vibe.
I'm on a fast right now with my church. I posted the link and information on my channel, and so many people are having issues with what do I eat. So I came up with the chili. My mom has been waiting for this. I got up extra early so that I could fix this chili and post this video so that maybe my mother can make it later on. So here it is. Let's try it. And it is, I call it a 2-bean chili, but it's really not 2 beans. It's red beans, which most people call kidney beans, and pigeon peas. Y'all, that's good. Oh man, that's really delicious. Let's taste it with tofu. Now, you don't have to use tofu. It's just for those people who want to feel like they're chewing on something. And I would have just mixed this tofu up with the chili, but I don't know if everybody wants tofu, so let's go in. Oh man, I would say if you're gonna use tofu, let it marinate in your aminos first for about 10 or 15 minutes. Take it off, take it out of the aminos, pat it dry, and then put it inside of your skillet for a light saute, not a fry, a saute. And that, ladies and gentlemen, would be a very awesome taste. Right now, my tofu is very bland, and I didn't even think about the marinating process until just now. But try it. It's really good. I hope you enjoy it, Mom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? We're not only choosing joy, we're spreading it too. Till next time, let me get ready to go to work and get on this prayer call.